everyone, I'm Stuart. Welcome to Learn Grammar with Stuart. Let's take a look at today's key phrase. My car is really fast, but his car is even faster. Let's break this down. Today's key skill is expressing a surprising comparison. We can add even before a comparative adjective to show that there is a big difference between the two items we are comparing. Even has a similar meaning to much. However, even expresses that the difference is also surprising. It's common to make two sentences when using this grammar structure. The first sentence introduces the first item, that's already impressive. Then the second sentence introduces an item that is more impressive. For example, my car is really fast, but his car is much faster. We can change this to, my car is really fast, but his car is even faster. Here is the Japanese. Please pause if you'd like to read. Okay, let's take a look at the structure. We start with a sentence, subject, verb, adjective. My car is really fast. Then we say but, and we compare the second item. His car is even faster. So subject, verb, his car is, then even and comparative adjective, even faster. My car is really fast, but his car is even faster. Let's take a look at some examples. That picture is beautiful, but that one is even more beautiful. Our sales are high, but their sales are even higher. This restaurant is delicious, but the restaurant you recommended is even more delicious. Tokyo Tower is tall, but Skytree is even taller. This laptop is expensive, but that laptop is even more expensive. This car is a new model, but that one is even newer. Thank you very much for watching today's class. If you'd like to practice the grammar, please leave an example in the comments below. Bye.